had to do this impromptu video because A, I have the time, and B, my new bag from Portland Leather Goods just came in. So let me show you what it is. It is another mini, this time in the hide Badlands, which is their new hide. I absolutely love it. You want to see the bag, not me. I just flipped this puppy. Let me show you what it looked like before. Here's some pictures. And here's it after, and I'm going to show you a video up close of the hide marks that came out after I flipped the bag. Amazing, amazing. So let's roll to that. Flipped it and look at all these character marks that came out. Cannot believe it. I scratched it a little bit. Flipping it. Here's this really cool scar on it. Amazing. Okay, let me give you a little bit of info on this bag and the hide specifically. If you're into Portland Leather Goods, you're gonna probably already know what the mini is. I got the mini with the zipper. Right off the bat, I opened it and I was a little worried about the smell because the last bag I got from PLG was a toaster and nutmeg. It was so dry and it smelled like kerosene and cigarettes, and I was super bummed. I have way too many Portland Leather Good bags, but this one, I'm not even gonna be shy about it. It smells so good. Probably the best smelling bag I've ever gotten from them. It smells genuinely like a leather store. The name is escaping me, but remember that leather store in the 2000s everybody went to? That's the one I'm talking about. It smells incredible. Now the hide itself feels very stiff, but light. So it's a little weird because I've owned Canyon from Portland Leather Goods before. That felt thick and heavy and very structured. This feels just as structured, but way lighter. This bag, it feels pretty light. It's not the lightest thing I've ever felt, but it's actually pretty light. The leather feels dry, but not in a bad way dry. And it is a pebbled leather. Mine's pretty evenly pebbled, so not super big until we get maybe to the back, which you can see more pebbles. I mean, this thing is just gorgeous. So I wanted to pop on here really quick, give you a review of Badlands. Again, it's their new one. It's only in the minis right now. Maybe it'll be in a bigger size, but flipping it helped tremendously. It feels smushy now. This is not how it felt before I flipped it. And if you'd like to know how to do flipping, it's pretty easy. I start by just punching in all the corners and then pulling from inside out till the bag is inside out. And then I like to literally roll it up one way, roll it up the other way, and then I do it this side. I roll one way and then I roll the other, and then I pull it back out. Some people are a little leery about it because you do get some scratches from your nails if they're longer, so cut your nails if you don't want to scratch up your leather. But I had to show you this first look, first sneak peek. Go check it out.